Everybody. We should be live now. Let's see. Go. Okay. So I was trying to figure out what was going on with I don't know if y'all saw the test streams last night. I was going crazy trying to figure out what was wrong with my setup because it was the weirdest thing. Like I would stream via StreamYard, and it was fine. And then I would have issues as soon as I opened up Visual Studio Code. Everything else was fine. Visual Studio was fine. Running Docker containers was fine. Even playing a video game was fine. The minute that I needed to open Visual Studio Code, over. Game over. Game over. So I ended up resetting my entire PC last night. Like it was like 10 o'clock. I ended up resetting the whole thing. It was like obnoxious. Let's see. But yeah, what's going on, everybody? Hold up. Let's put some banners up here. Cloud Q&A. I'd like to invite everyone to go check out learn2cloud.guide. I need everyone to help me figure out if my stream quality is fine. Because like I said, I had to reset my PC. It was the freaking worst. Oh, it's been a long week, y'all. It's been a long week. I got some good news this week, though. Very exciting. Very, very, very excited for these opportunities that have come up this past week for myself. One step closer to my ultimate goal, but for now, that'll be a secret. Anyway, how's everyone doing? Jason, what up, peeps? What is up, Jason? How you doing? Nukem all. Gwen, you rock. Thank you so much. Stream sounds great. All right, cool. So I'm gonna let a couple more people go on. Come on, but I'm kind of scared. If I share my screen because that's where the issue I was getting yesterday. Like as soon as I share my screen, the audio goes wonky. So I'm gonna try to do that. That guy Jay says you're such a New York thing. All right, let's go here. All right, cool. So we got the screen share going. All right. I need y'all to tell me as soon as if there's any static or crackling noise in the audio, let me know. All right. But everyone is telling me so far looks good, so I'm gonna take everyone's word for it. All right. Akil says, "Yo, hi, what's up, everyone? What's up? What's going on? It's Friday night. We're about to hang out a little bit. I'm gonna try to figure out what the heck my audio issues are going on. But yeah, let's minimize this here. Everything is looking good so far. All right, cool. So this is a fresh install of Windows 11. Unfortunately, I had to reset my PC. And let's see what happens as soon as I open up Visual Studio Code. Oh, snap, my connection string is there. Don't worry, it's just like a demo project. What's going on, everybody? Come on, tell me. All right, audio so far good. Let me know. Any crackling, any static, anything. We're good. We good? I think we're good. I think I'm gonna fix the issue by resetting absolutely everything. But what I'm gonna do now is kind of reset some extensions. Can install some extensions because, like I said, I had to. I have that. 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 Perfect. I'm just gonna. So Rishabh wanted to play FIFA and like hang out with everyone. So like we'll play FIFA, we'll play, and then we'll just answer questions, which I think is a great idea. But he can't join until 7. But I really need to like stress test my PC. So and make sure no audio issues come into play. So I was like, I'm gonna hop on a little earlier, try to do these things, and then we'll play FIFA. Right? So first thing I need is my theme that I use. It's called Deep Dark. This is the best Visual Studio Code theme that's out there. Because this will make it full black version. Oh, look at that. So clean. We go over here. The code is so clean. Look at that. Beautiful. No issues at all. Amazing. That guy Jay says, man, I needed this for my soul. It's been a long week. Tell me about it, man. What's been going on? I've been jam-packed with meetings. And also, so it's been rough because I've been doing like 16-hour days essentially, like waking up at 7, going to sleep at like mad early because I'm just dead tired by like 9. It makes me feel like I'm old, but I get my full 8 hours of sleep and I'm ready to go. So it's been a good time. Uh, everyone says all good. Sounds good so far, man. That makes me so happy. I was having so many issues, and I was about to throw this PC out the window. But I love this machine, so I'm glad we can figure this out. All right. So, what are some other things that I need to get? I probably need Docker. So let me get another download Docker. Might be able to do this actually. I might be a better fit there. Download Docker, Docker desktop, Windows. There we go. Let's do this. Cool. So I need Docker. I have .NET already. I need Visual Studio. I need Visual Studio as well. Visual Studio, and then let's start. I want to try to stress test this thing. Really, I want to like make it do everything. That way, I can see if I can make it hiccup or have any issues. I need. Do I have Azure SQL database? I might already have it. Azure SQL. Yep. So I need Azure Storage Explorer. I've written down the stuff that I need. I swear. All right, download that too. Fantastic. What's everyone been up to? I'm ready to get coding this week so I can put that resume out on the wild. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Tailor that resume, tailor those cover letters, get your projects done, all these kinds of things. You can do this. I've been practicing my Linux command line and did my first LAMP server. I'm following along, Learn to Cloud. That's awesome. Very proud of you. I just had a conversation yesterday about putting together a project. I was just talking to Rishabh about this morning, and we're starting to build out a project that follows the phases of Learn to Cloud. So it'll have like an infrastructure, a networking, a Linux phase, one phase. Then it'll have a programming phase. Then it'll have a cloud phase, and then it'll have a DevOps phase. And then I'm trying to find the right people to sort of lead each phase and sort of break out and delegate. But we're going to document it well. And essentially, my goal is to have a project that I can hand to beginners and be like, step through this. And you're going to get hands-on not only with a specific little focused area, but you're going to start to understand how you would actually work in production kind of environments. Because when you put into production like environments or to an actual job, you're not expected to just be someone who can like deploy virtual machines. Like you need to understand why and how they work, and like how they work when they're actually being used and stuff like that, right? So that's why my goal is to put together actually these real case scenarios. And then in terms of like long term, so that will be like the infrastructure as a service version. Then I want to do like a serverless version. Then I want to do a container version. Then I want to do maybe a platform as a service version. And just anyway, I have like a bunch of thoughts. Like I'm just trying to assemble the right team that will work just as hard and who is just as committed, because essentially this is all community work, so we're not getting paid for it. But I think it'll be very, very valuable to people who are new, and I'm very excited to put that together. Even more to my plate, right? Let me stop sharing my screen for 1 second, because I have to put in some passwords here. But feel free to keep asking me questions as I like set up my PC. But this is awesome. LAMP is so classic, and it's like always going to be used. So it's a great way to get hands on. Azure is king. I'm also putting together a little networking event in May at the New York City Microsoft Reactor. If you are local, if you want to commute in, I've literally just finalized all the details today. I gave it to the event planner. She's working on scheduling everything out. We're trying to get some decent catering. We're trying to get some other people from other meetups to come up over. It's going to be a free event, just people in the area meeting people. I'm going to put together some networking activities and all these kinds of things. It's going to be great. I want to really not only provide value over the internet, but also like in person. So if anyone is local or available, stay tuned, because I will announce that very soon as well. Asher's King, that'll be perfect. Yeah, honestly, my goal is to get y'all proper hands-on exercises. I realized I was looking job to I can't read today. Goodness. I realized that I was looking to the job validation, which is rough because I'm very much a words of affirmation person. Words of affirmation are great. Start your day off with them. I love to do that. How you like your Windows 11? So I did an upgrade from 10 to 11, and I think a lot of stuff got messed up with like my audio and such. And it wasn't until yesterday that I got a chance to like do just a fresh install. And this thing is so quick. This, I mean, to be fair, this machine has like really great components, but it's smooth now that I finally figured out what the heck was causing issues. It's really smooth. I'm really, really happy. Shauna says here, hello, Gwen and Rishabh. Happy Friday. Hey, happy Friday. Rishabh's going to be joining us in a little bit. And we're going to be playing FIFA, I think, or something else. Who knows? Did you get a new PC or did you just get VS Code? No, I didn't get a new PC. I reset my PC because I was having audio issues. And now I'm just like setting everything up. But I'm going to be meticulous with what I install because I don't want to have any more issues, random issues. I mean, I do like I live stream for a living, so I can't have these things happening. Luckily, I have the MacBook M1, the MacBook Pro M1, or the MacBook Pro M1 Pro. Yeah, that's the one. Which is like an amazing machine, but I don't know. I personally prefer having Windows, having WSL, and all that kind of stuff. Can enable the design narrative I ran to distribute to take points on the cloud to set up and help out the development and DevOps side. So I'm trying to structure it where we'll have like sort of one person lead, and then we'll have someone who will be testing each phase. I literally was just having a conversation with someone about this yesterday. It's like the person who's essentially leading will do like lay out the majority of work and potentially do the majority of the work, but then we'll have someone who will like follow along and make sure like the in terms of like, oh, it's documented in a way that people who are more newer or have like less of that skill set will be able to understand. So there will absolutely be opportunities for that as well. It's going to be on the Learn to Cloud GitHub. All the tasks will be public and stuff like that. I just need really strong, committed people to like lead each phase. But there will absolutely be opportunities for people who are looking to like help in other ways. I just ordered my Linux book, should get here next week. Shaking my head, but still wondering if I should change to cloud engineer from doing data analysis. I'm just getting started. Where do you want to end up? Regardless, Linux is going to be something that's going to help you no matter what. I prefer words of defamation. Are there any security practices needed to learn for a cloud or junior engineer? Yeah, absolutely. I think a lot of like, if you follow like a cloud certification, you're going to get security aspects and basics. So there's plenty there to be covered. You don't necessarily need to go get a full security certification because I know those are tough and quite involved. But there's definitely aspects there. How much networking do you use? I just got my CCNA and started a network sys role. That's more than plenty. If you know your basics, if you know how to like set up a VNet or VPC, how to segment that into subnets, how to properly, set up your IP address ranges and spaces and things like that, how to secure things with like network security groups or firewalls or ACLs or actually because you would use a combination of all these kinds of things. You're going to be set up for success if you have that sort of experience before you move into cloud. And working on my Red Hat now. Wow. Oh, sorry. Look at all these people getting stuff done. All right, I'm going to keep installing stuff, but y'all keep asking me questions. I'll pay attention. Let me see. What do I need to set up here? So for Visual Studio, I need Docker. I mean, I don't need Docker for Visual Studio. It's what I need for my local dev environment. Okay, so that's working. Cool. FIFA. What are we looking at? Hold on. What am I losing? He has some solid project ideas. Who is he? Who are you referring to? FIFA 22 on PC. I think it's FIFA 22, or is it what? No, it's FIFA 21. It's 22 out already? Stop it. FIFA 22 is not out yet. Or is it? Oh my goodness. Wait, do I not have FIFA 22? What do I have? I have FIFA 21. Or do I have FIFA 22? Let me see. What was oh my goodness. If Rishab's like, we're playing FIFA 22 and I have 21, I'm not playing. I'm not paying $69 for a game that has like no difference. We'll see what happens. So many questions. I don't know what to ask. Ask anything. Within the realms of cloud. Sometimes people ask me like deep life philosophical questions, and y'all think that I have the answers to these things, just because it somewhat seems like I have my life together now. Oh, hey Robert. So I was having audio issue. It was so weird. Like I was telling the stream before. I would stream with StreamYard. Everything completely fine. Visual Studio fine. Running Docker containers fine. Playing video games fine. Streaming at the same time cool. The minute I would open Visual Studio, even if it was not opening a project, opening in a project, not opening a project, I get static and crackling. I tried everything, updated drivers, reinstalled Edge, reinstalled Visual Studio, set it up from scratch, erased all extensions. I turned off hardware acceleration, turned on forced hardware acceleration on, removed my drivers, uninstalled a ton of things, and I still ended up having it. And I did like troubleshooting for 4 hours because I used to do this stuff a lot for like help desk. So like it kind of like scratched that itch. But then it was like 7 o'clock last night, and after working on this for like hours, and I'm like, I'm not doing this anymore. Then I left to go play ping pong for like an hour and a half. Then I came back, and then I was like, all right, I'm just resetting it from scratch. Luckily, all my game progress is saved with Steam and like all these other cloud kind of things. So now I just have to download everything again, which I personally find quite therapeutic because I get to sort of start over from scratch and not install like literally everything or anything out there. Like there was so many like random things that I had installed. I was like, why do I even need this? Like GeForce Experience. I thought I'm back. Wait, hold on. Oh my goodness. I made the biggest mistake. I hit restart by accident. Is it still going? All right, there we go. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, there's two Gwens. I'm gonna fix it. Hold on. Let me kick this other one out. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Starting from scratch. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let me see. CCNA Cisco. I see why you choose words of death. That's funny. CCNA is a tough certification, but you're gonna learn a lot, so that's great. Yep, it is. I got it on sale during the holidays. What is? Hold on, let me message her, tell them to get on here because what? I don't know what FIFA were you playing. Were you playing 21 or 22? So I'm not buying. I recently got a Switch and I've been playing Zelda Breath of the Wild. Love that game. All right, let's see. What's wrong with Cisco? My new job uses a ton of Cisco. There's nothing wrong with Cisco. Just watch your channel, please. Can you give me your intro and what is goal using this channel? My intro? All right. I'm going to be very like professional right now. Hi, everyone. My name is Gwyneth Pena Seguenza, Regional Cloud Advocate here at Microsoft based in New York City. My goal is essentially to teach people cloud computing, and I don't care what your background is. My goal is to make it friendly, concise, and accessible. And I do this via delivering demos or workshops or networking events. It could be online, in person, have whatever else other options, viable options there is to actually deliver this kind of content, right? On my YouTube channel, you're going to find content around cloud computing, career stuff, some more personal stuff, mistakes I've made, books I like, certifications I have, certifications I don't have, resources I find useful, whatever it might be. And welcome. My goal is to document my journey, I guess, and help others get into cloud. This is a cloud question. This is a fantastic cloud question. Clean out all the there's so much bad stuff that not bad stuff, but like just pointless stuff that was like running in the background. Streamed out. No, I fixed it. I thought my internet was tripping. Yo, Alf, you want to come on? Let me know. Or just join. I'm in the Cloud Code Life account if you wanna hop on. I think we're gonna play FIFA later. Did you see the Switch came out with the game? Like, yeah, I just saw that. It looks pretty cool. My siblings spend almost every single weekend here, which is great. I love having them around. And we play Switch a lot. We play Mario Party, Mario Kart, and then now we're probably gonna get into like Smash and stuff like that. But and I was looking at this Wii Sports thing. I was like, that looks mad fun. Except I live in an apartment building, and I know that you can sometimes get like kind of wild when you're playing those kinds of games in terms of like movement and jumping and stuff like that. So might need to be a little more careful with that one. Rodney says GPS is our local cloud slapficate. Yeah, that's me. Thank you. Any resources for help on resume for someone trying to get into their first job IT? Yeah. So in general, resources or tips for resumes are, so keep all your work experience on your LinkedIn, and then keep your resume to one page and as tailored as you can to whatever role you're trying to apply to. If you can write the descriptions of what your roles or like responsibilities were at your role, and more of like sort of like think of like metrics or like outcomes. And so instead of saying like, oh, I've used serverless technology, say, oh, I used serverless technology to create an automation process that saved the company 20 hours of manual labor and costs $3 a month or something like that, right? So if you can sort of speak in sort of outcomes, because people who hire kind of care more about that. Usually, unless they're like super technical, then they might really care about like the actual tech stack that you're using. But hey, mostly it's HR people at the beginning step, right? Have at least 2 projects that you can speak to and that you sort of can outline on your resume. And then if you have your certifications, have them on there too. Keep only relevant experience, but that goes along with sort of keeping it concise. What else? I feel like I have more. Yeah, just the I think the biggest thing that people forget is that, you know, the people who are looking at your resumes and are ultimately going to make the decision whether they want to reach out to you or not are going to essentially take maybe 10 seconds tops. To like they'll quickly scan and it'll be like yes, no. So if you have like 3 pages, like, you know, it's gonna almost gonna be like a instant no, just because there's like too much there. Oh, here's Alf. Alf just got a new job, so maybe he can talk to us about resumes.
Hello.
Did you update your resume to land your new job?
I did. I had to do a bunch of stuff for updating because it was like pretty old at that point.
Do you have a one pager or what?
Yeah, no. If you don't have 10 years of experience, there's no reason to have more than one page. Like, there's nothing to put in that is like needs to be more than one page.
Even if you had like years of experience, don't you think you'll probably just cut off like your McDonald's job, like your first job?
Yeah, no, definitely. There has to be to a degree, like it's like the stuff you can cherry pick the things that are useful towards what you're trying to do. Like, you have to give like a general like logic, so to maybe not show like gaps or stuff like that, but you don't really need to put that stuff that is not useful for you. Wait, Gnocchi's trying to eat.
He says, "Oh, I see a fluff in the background." Yeah, that's his dog, Gnocchi. He's one of the cutest dogs ever.
Hey, this one? Hey, we don't need to eat this one, right? Give me, good boy. All right, yeah, he's a big guy now.
How old is he now? He's like,
he turned 1 recently.
Yeah, he just turned 1. Like what? Like a month ago or something?
Yeah, a
couple of weeks ago.
Couple of weeks ago. So yeah, no, he's a big guy.
Let me see here. Is it worth mentioning your personality and personal goals?
I don't think so, honest. Like, personality is not really a thing that is on the resume. You can make your personality shine in the interview.
I'm a chill person, just on the top.
Yeah,
I'm a super chill
certified chill person.
Certified chill person.
I have a certification in being chill AF.
Chill AF. Can you imagine listening to that as like a skill, like chill AF?
Yeah. Hey, Gnocchi, okay, I think it's time for you to leave. Come on, go, 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 go. Good
Says
boy.
here, would you consider doing an interview with Kyle Lafayette Foster Jenkins, who used to be a project manager for 2K Sports and visual concepts for NBA 2K games? That would be so great. I could potentially reach out to this person. I should be doing more interview stuff, but we'll see. But that's a great recommendation. Thank you for letting me know. Do you still have FIFA? We were thinking about playing FIFA on stream and then answering questions.
All right, I kicked Gnocchi out.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
I was asking if you still had FIFA 21.
I do on my computer, main computer.
We were thinking of maybe playing.
I would be down. Yeah, I haven't played FIFA in a while.
Are you on your Mac?
I am.
Oh, nice.
I am on my Mac, and I will have to just switch over everything, and that's about nothing much.
I like scrolling Twitter for memes and mentioning JavaScript and
yeah, the reason there has been like a huge let me see if I can find it. There has been this huge post on like how like Vue, Svelte, and React do like a mapping over lists. Yeah. And people like started hating each other for fucking some reason. I don't understand. Like, because they like everyone is saying, oh, I like React is the most JavaScripty, while the other ones are.
What does that even mean?
No, it's true. Like React as a very, very, very small layer on top of JavaScript in and of itself. Like JSX is not like it's JavaScript with a little bit of like HTML flavoring, but the underlying code that you can write within that, it's always completely JavaScript, only JavaScript. While there are, for example, Vue and Svelte have a little bit of more magical things, like for example, like templates and stuff like that actually are less JavaScripty, but they might be more intuitive. And this is the post. Oh man, might as well just share the screen, right?
Yeah,
and it's share, and let's see. Yeah, and so people were just hating each other for some reason. I don't understand. It's like so many people like just like hatefully like taking on like people that are saying, oh, JavaScript like React is the most like normal one. Like, for example, if you see there is this 4 that actually is wrong here. It should be V4 for Vue, and there is like this string, and people, and it's like it's a little bit magicy. Like you don't like underlying thing is the string that gets parsed when you like it gets parsed on the directly on the client, and it starts going in for the item in the items. But for example, in React, it's JavaScript. Like this one, if you take it out and actually build, except for the list items, because that's syntactical sugar, it's JavaScript, regular JavaScript that you can write everywhere. While you can't write 4 item in items like that in JavaScript in and of itself. So a lot of people are, if you read, the people are saying,
why are they upset though?
But people are upset for everything, honestly.
But like,
I don't know. For example, there are people are saying Vue like syntax is off. Like people are saying the Vue has the magic strings, which is true. Like this is kind of a magic string in and of itself, because it's like why does item in items, like there is type safety in that. Like if you actually have the item in items name, then the item actually gets typed in your IDE, but it's a string. Like how does it get parsed and stuff? While the other one is just a comment magic. Like this little hashtag each items as item is another thing that is specific to Svelte, and it works, but it's like more magicy, while this one is just JavaScript, like plain JavaScript. And a lot of people are like, oh, if you don't like React, you don't like JavaScript. And other people are saying, oh, if you like React, you're an idiot. And so like there's always hate from everywhere, but it's okay.
Oh my goodness. If you like React, you're an idiot.
Yeah, I don't know. It's interesting how many people get just mad for every reason.
Do you know the Jack Forge?
Yes, I think he's an interesting figure. He's a little bit controversial at times. Like he has some like the classic Twitter hot takes.
Like
That
what? Is
I don't know.
HTML a programming language?
Oop. Yes, like some of the Twitter hot takes that sometimes they are a little bit off the cuff.
I was gonna say something. I saw another like thread about clean architecture, and people were going like insane. Something about it, and I was just like,
I feel like people go insane for like, because the thing is that you can say whatever and there's gonna be one person that is gonna be mad about it because it's not the way they do it. Like, so for example, you can say the most innocent thing ever, like oh, I enjoy coding, and it's like, no, coding
no.
is ass. Like there's gonna be someone coming saying, ah, you don't enjoy coding, I've been coding since I was in the womb, and you just merely are a poser and stuff like that.
Oh my goodness.
But yeah.
Let me see here. Going through some Linux basic for hackers. I think I remember you and Richard mentioning on another stream someone who goes through the book and documents their progress. Someone who's going through the book and documenting their progress. I don't remember that. Oh, I mean, are you talking about me? Because I did that on my website, on my blog, but I don't know if there was another person who did it. There might be, and if they're in the chat, let us know. Why do you want to mess with that when we have it automated? What is this referencing? Let me see. I feel like I might have skipped. Do you have a Switch?
I do. It's like there, like it's in that box.
Oh, you don't play it?
I don't have a TV, so I never really set. I don't have a TV on, so I never really set it up.
Why don't you do it on? Yeah, I guess it's more of like a TV kind of thing.
Yeah, I could set it up on my screen, like on my laptop screen, but I just don't want to really.
Let's see. Tech Twitter drama. Sorry, guess I needed to add context. Yeah, I'm not really in. Like, I use Twitter, but I have the timeline blocked, so I have to like unblock it if I want to look through it. If not, I just like waste too much time.
Oh, well, that would be a good idea.
There's an extension. It's what the heck is it called? It's called Unfocused, and then you can like block the Twitter timeline, block Twitter completely, stuff like that. And it just like as soon as I go to the timeline and it's not there, I'm like, yeah, I shouldn't be here in the first place. So, anyway, what did I name this? Just okay. I said maybe we'll game. Yeah, Richard was supposed to like join at 7, but we'll see if he actually joins. He wanted to play FIFA. Let me see here. What else do we got? There were some up here that I think I missed. Oh, this is what I wanted. That guy Jay says he has some solid project ideas, but who are you referencing? Or did I miss the other comment? I don't even have Twitter. That's great. The only thing, so the only good thing about Twitter is sometimes they do, or at least I try to like retweet job opportunities. And oftentimes you can reach out to people about the jobs and ask questions. Like they'll be willing to have like conversationals with you or informationals, whatever they call them, which I think is good. But outside of that, I don't think there's really much more use.
I feel like it kind of has become a little bit of like a second resume for like most developers, because like to a degree, like if you treat it as a tool instead of treating it as like a venting location, like or like just like as a time waster. Like a lot of people have like a very good way of building their personal online persona like through Twitter, and it's easy to reach a lot of people and such, but you have to be pretty intentional with it, otherwise it really becomes like a time waste. Like I do, it's basically the only social media I use other than LinkedIn, really. Sometimes I go on Reddit, but not I don't do it.
You gotta stay away from Reddit.
And in Reddit is like a thing where I was like, I do not have anything to do. I'm just gonna scroll around and look at stuff for a while, but it's never like something that is like, since I started using Twitter, mostly it has not become like my main to go social anymore. Used to be.
I used to. Yeah. I use now Reddit to like look up reviews of stuff. I feel like it's more honest than like looking at Amazon reviews or things like that. But I had to delete my Reddit account because I know that whenever I get like a homepage with like the subreddits that I follow, I'm gonna get sucked in. So now I just go to like places like subreddits specifically if I need to like update. Like I'll go to the Azure one, or I go to like I like looking at the what is it called, battle stations for like setups, stuff like that. But outside of that, I'm like, nah, I can't do this. No, wait, Rodney, I'm always here for the drama. We like drama too, but we've been known to rant sometimes. Like, weren't we ranting about something last?
I think there is a rant, but it's not like a rant that is like as open as. Like, I feel like if you put your rant on Twitter, you're really just putting it out there to be interacted with. This is more like a just chat about something that is annoying, and I feel it's a little bit more relaxed compared to like venting.
Respectful. Yeah, and it's just because essentially this is, I mean, it's public, but it's also like sort of just us like kind of hanging out, and we're not here to be like, if you like React, you're a freaking idiot. Like, no, he would never say that. So -1 platform to distract, peer, perfect. Yeah, I think I agree though. But people do use like Twitter as like the resume, or like they'll be like, oh, I have like this many followers, or like maybe it gets to their head or something like that. Let's see here. After getting feedback on my resume, would it be safe to say that you need to keep things tastefully vague so you can share the story on what you worked on? What is this referencing? Which part of your resume? Like your whole resume, I don't think you want to keep vague because it's like.
I feel more than vague. I think that unless you have extremely specific, like related stuff that you worked on or related to the position that you're applying to, you can keep it a little bit more vague. But is the key thing is always has to be results driven. Like your resume is always has to be, it's not like a laundry list of job descriptions, but it has to be like, I achieved this, done this, done that. So, for example, in my resume, I guess I can
share it.
Yes, I can share to a degree. My resume. Let's see. Do I want to share my resume? I don't know.
Imagine resumes had taglines. I'm a vibe when I crush it on the rag.
Yeah, that would be neat, honestly. I like that's your that's your.
That's a good Twitter bio, actually. I'm a vibe and I crush it on the rag.
You should put it under your name. There are people that put like software engineer or whatever. You can say I'm a vibe.
I'm a vibe. Yeah, instead of like coding rockstar, coding ninja. Remember when it was super popular for job descriptions to have like coding unicorn or something like that?
Yeah. Do you know that? Wait, do you know that? I'm pretty sure it's a famous thing, but you know that there is a programming language called Rockstar. Because and this guy has created. This guy it's pretty famous. Dylan Betty.
No, I haven't heard of it.
Let me show you. That basically created this programming language that is called Rockstar, and it's literally the intention is so that you can actually like basically learn that and say that you're a Rockstar coder. And literally, and the way it works is basically that your variables, midnight is the name of the variable, takes is like a keyword that is equal. And so the logic is that you write ballad names, like ballad rock songs for the 80s lyrics, and it turns it into things. So, for example, is midnight takes your heart and your soul, means like midnight, the variable midnight is equal to 4, 5, 3, 4, 4. Like this is actually the length of the word is the number, and so on. And then when I actually do this is FizzBuzz. Like if you compile this, it compiles to FizzBuzz.
That compiler must be doing a lot.
Oh yeah. And this is a lot of work. But yeah, it's a very interesting thing because it was like, okay, there is like a lot of like Rockstar coder or Rockstar developer things. So just make a Rockstar programming language so that you can say, I actually code. I am a
I,
Rockstar developer, and you can
I,
actually buy a thing that it says like Rockstar developer,
oh,
Beam
that's neat.
Hater, UI UX Rockstar and stuff. You
That,
can actually buy this stuff.
that's actually a neat concept.
Yeah, and it's
There's
stupid. I mean, it's not like there you go. Like for example, this one
do
is
how do you do Hello World?
hello. Well, hello world is basically this. Like shout Rockstar. Like Rockstar is a big bad monster, and shout Rockstar is this one. Like I don't know exactly how it works. See, like for example, 1337 is a big bad monster. Monster has 7 letters. Big and bad has 3.
Is shout like print?
Shout is print. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know all of this. Like it's honestly, it's like a little bit like it's definitely an esoteric language, and it's not meant to be actually real. But oh well.
What's that other language? It's just like symbols.
Mindfuck.
Yeah, yeah. I thought it was brain fuck. Maybe it is
Oh,
mind.
my brain fuck. Yeah, brain fuck. Yeah, here it's brain fuck is basically only these ones.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, like this one stuff. Or there is also another one that is called white space, and it's only white spaces. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's my resume. But what?
Interesting. We got anyone got a movie or a TV show they're watching? Do you watch TV shows?
Moon Knight currently?
What am I watching currently? Nothing really. Oh,
Yeah.
I Abbott Elementary. It's like kind of like a similar concept of The Office, but it's based in an elementary school in like Philly.
Okay.
It's pretty funny actually. But outside of that, nah. I just saw for the first time. What's that? Dunkirk, that movie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know it came out like years ago, but I just saw it and I was like, because it was, I think it was on Netflix. Pretty good. And Saving Private Ryan, that I know came out in like the 90s. Just like random stuff on Netflix, but nothing nothing new.
The only thing I'm watching recently are like some anime stuff and Moon Knight on Disney Plus.
Gwen, did you ever find out what the program language was on your IG story? Yeah, it was Kotlin or Kotlin. Do you know Kotlin?
Kotlin.
Yeah. It looks like the Figma logo.
Yeah, I know. It's interesting. Yeah, yeah, that's I never really worked with Kotlin because I hate anything Java related. So
yeah, it's for like Android.
Yeah,
I
it's
wonder what
Android stuff.
Android development is like now, because I remember trying it like maybe like 8 years ago, and it was just Android Studio and all that. It just seemed so terrible. Seemed like a terrible dev experience.
No, I mean it's Kotlin is like it's basically Kotlin is nicer Java. Like it's meant to be a nicer Java, but
is it like a TypeScript JavaScript kind of thing?
No, like it's a JVM language, so it runs on the Java virtual machine, but it's just like a nicer, like it changes completely, like the how everything is, like the syntax is different, and it just it has some logic shared with Java. Like I think that you can write a Java code in Kotlin. Like but I don't have any. I never wrote a line in Kotlin, honestly, because I never really. I said I'm never gonna touch Java. I'm never gonna touch anything close to Java. So
C#.
I can't, like no, C# is fine. I'm just not Java.
Not too close to Java.
No, only like what I don't want is Java and Java, like Java related stuff. So mainly I'm talking about Kotlin, Java, Scala, and like anything that runs on JVM. Basically,
what is it? What's wrong with Java?
I just don't like Java. I don't know. I just said like there are those things like where you say this is like one promise that I do myself, and I promise myself to never touch Java
What
in my
if it
entire
was like
life.
a ridiculous salary, just like
If they were giving me a ridiculous salary, there would be another person that would give me a similar salary for something that I actually know how to do. So I'm
But if
okay.
they're like, we'll give you 5 times what you're making right now to come be
I
a
will not
full-time.
learn Java. Honestly, it's a matter of personal dignity and such. At that point, I am.
Damn. Oh, hold on 1 second.
No. It's just like I don't know. I had horror experiences with Java in like my community college classes, and like just no, not my thing. Let's see. Anyone is any questions?
All right. What I miss?
Oh, nothing.
Rishabh says he's joining, I guess, shortly. What did we miss here? Tears of frustration, sadness, and anger. What is this referring? That's Alpha when it works with Java. Have you done anything in Java? Like, have you like besides the Hello World?
Yeah, that was mainly Hello World. I was choosing between Java and C++, and I went C++ because I just the Hello World in Java. So there are a few things that I don't like in Java. It's just too boilerplatey for me, way too boilerplatey, and it's just too verbose. And I don't think that you like it's that fun.
Boilerplately, as in like there's just too much code that just has to be there for no
Like
reason.
if you check like Java folder structures is like a nested folder of empty folders, like empty one file. Like it's ridiculous. Like a Java folder structure. Like it is absolutely.
What's that freaking? What's the most popular IDE that's used with Java? What is it called?
Java. Damn it.
Like,
IntelliJ.
Yeah, IntelliJ. Like, but it's what's the brand? JetBrains.
JetBrains. Yeah, they are the guys that made Kotlin. They are the guys that wrote Kotlin.
Interesting.
Okay, so here is a normal Java structure. src main Java com vod main.
Wait, is it still like this?
Yeah. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, it's ridiculous. Like look at this stuff. Like it's like literally, and these are empty, huh? Like these are like I don't have any Java experience, so I'm not. But like these are all empty, and it's just convention that they are separated by like main Java convod main. Like see, like test Java convod test, and like you can go forever and going like that. Like there you go. Like main. Yeah, what are those? Main Java edu UCI ICS. Like why?
So you go do like create new project, then you get all this. Do they have different like types now? Java's more like backend stuff, right?
Oh yeah. No, Java is super like Java is Java is a backend language primarily. Like you can do like, but the thing is that people use it because there is things like there is stuff like Spring Boot, the microservices framework that is still very used, and enterprise Java is a whole other thing. Like there is like the Java Enterprise Edition that is like what most of like very very large companies use, and it's mostly monolithic architectures. And like just if you hear about folks talking about it, they just hate it. Like they just hate their life. If you want to go into the corporate developer job, like not like high tech companies, but companies like large companies and in the tech department of very large companies, there is Java everywhere. So, but that's kind of like a lot of people think that it's just a dead end thing to do. Like there's why.
Echo on your end, Rishabh. Oh, he's gonna put headphones on.
Yep. And
yeah, but even like a lot of clouds have their own services that support like.
Oh, definitely. I feel like Java is used a lot. It's just like if there's a lot of other languages that would be more appropriate to use for a lot of other reasons. Like, for example, like you wouldn't want to build a website with Java specifically, or you wouldn't want to, like, if you want to do microservice architecture, you probably would want to use something like Go or like TypeScript, Python, like many other languages instead of Java. Like, it's just like Java is most definitely on the lower end of the life. Like, it's like they're gonna keep supporting because there's so many large corporations that handle it, and like in terms of like school, like that's the main language that everyone learns, like when you're in school. But otherwise it's not like a language that any major company says, oh, okay, let's start something and it's Java. The main people that do everything in Java is the Apache stuff. Like every Apache project is based on Java basically, which is, I don't know. Like if you go in basically any project in the Apache project list, they're most likely done in Java. And there are also big companies that do use Java. Like, for example, there is this thing that is called Presto, which is a SQL, and it's a very large SQL distributed SQL engine, SQL query engine that was built by Facebook, and it's written in Java.
Is your mic set right? Because it's like last time it was like picking up like a lot of background.
How is it now?
I think you're not going through your mic. I think you're going through your...
I think it's like a laptop or something, or like some sort of other mic.
Okay.
Or headphones.
Weird.
Yeah, because you sound like in the distance.
How about now?
No, same.
Same.
Still in distance?
Bring it. God. What mic are you using?
I'm using the Shure, the same MV7. It's out of scope right now.
If you I can see the game closer to it.
Yeah, I'm really close to it.
No, I can see the game. I think it's you like. I think in the settings of
StreamYard, yeah.
StreamYard, you are going through.
It is going through the audio interface.
No clues.
How about now?
Oh yeah,
there we go. Big difference.
There are 3 devices. They all are Focusrite audio interface.
Oh yeah, I have that same one.
Yeah,
that same issue. Perfect, man. Welcome.
Someone asked, like, I've seen new videos about learning Docker after learning Linux. Should I wait or jump into it now? Depends. the tech question or answer to every question. I think it depends on what stage you are in learning these type of things. Docker is a fairly advanced topic overall, I would say. Mm-hmm. I think you need to have like a set of underlying understanding of a bunch of other technologies before going into Docker. You can go into Docker whenever you want. Again, you can learn everything whenever you want. It's just that it's going to be easier to learn it when you have a certain understanding of how how these environments work, for example. For example, how Docker differs from a virtual machine, how you can build like virtual machines and so on. It's like those are helpful in understanding Docker at a more deeper level. But for using Docker, you can use Docker whenever you want. I feel like if you use a lot of like if you use anything like Code Sandbox or anything like that, you're using Docker already.
Mm-hmm.
What's Code Sandbox?
It's those websites where they give you the IDE online.
Yeah.
Like a web-based IDE. Or even if you go to github.dev, you're using a...
I thought it was like a...
You're using a container there. You're using Docker. I don't know if you're using specifically Docker, but you're using a container.
Company.
What?
Sorry, I thought, Gwen, you thought it was a Web3 company? Or no?
Yeah. Oh. I was like, is that like a new thing I'm missing out?
Something no, it's the one that everyone, if you have any code sample, you just share a link to Code Sandbox, and that's it.
Yeah.
Alf, you know what you should do? If you should set like some sort of metric, like if you hit like 100 subs somewhere, you're gonna build something entirely in Java.
I'd rather not get any subs or anything. Like I'd rather quit my online life than going in Java.
Yeah, he was professing his hatred for.
Yeah,
Java
I jumped on in the middle. Yeah.
Anyway, Rishabh, do you have news, or we can't talk about it yet?
We can't talk about it.
Oh my god, I keep waiting. I streamed only for this. No, I'm just
I'll be right back. Gnocchi has been. I'll be right back.
peace out. Anyway, people were already asking for you, Rishabh. You're quite popular. I know at the very beginning, someone was like, "Hey, Gwen and Rishabh," but like I was like, "Rishabh's not even here yet." Look, hey, Gwen and Rishabh, happy Friday.
Yeah, my bad.
There
I
was
was out shopping.
doing what?
Shopping.
Like groceries?
No. I bought a lot of clothes today.
Damn, just spending that Google money.
Yep.
Did you get any new sneakers?
Yes, I did.
What'd you get?
Let me show you.
I got all right. Go get it, and then I'll tell you what I got.
Oh, okay. Yours might be better.
No, I just got a pair of like the Air Force Ones, but with the gum bottoms.
I wanted those. They didn't have any. That's the thing
Yeah.
about Air Forces. It's like summer hits and zero available.
Yeah, that's why I got them. I got them like last week because I knew I wasn't gonna be able to get them
Yeah.
if I waited. Yeah.
I'll be back.
I like how he turned his camera off, but he didn't mute.
You can. Yeah, it works still.
Treat yourself 2022. Yeah, literally.
Another Twitter bio. After I'm a
What's on the
vibe.
Twitter bio?
The resume tagline is so funny though. I crush
Whose
on the
resume?
rag.
I'm
No,
a
'cause
vibe and I crash on the rag.
Because Rodney was saying that imagine like you would put like your personality on your resume, and then we were talking about like what if you had taglines about like who you were, like oh I'm a vibe, I'm chill as fuck on your resume. It would be hilarious.
So I got the ones, the space hippies
You
that
got
are
them?
made out of like trash.
Yeah. I have those too. I have a pair.
Yeah.
I have one super similar, but mine are like I think they have like more orange to them.
Oh.
Sweet. Those are super
Yeah,
light.
Yeah, they only had this.
Very comfy.
In like men's. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Because I'm traveling, to Orlando.
When?
Oh,
Why are you coming to New York, dude?
I wanted to.
Why would you go to Orlando?
Oh, me and Misha, we had this trip to Universal that we booked in 2020. Yeah, it got canceled due to COVID, but they gave us credit, which was valid up to 2 years, and 2
Okay,
years are up
that's
now.
fair. Fine, whatever.
Yeah,
When are you guys going?
we're going on the 21st of May. I'll be there for I think 3 days. But that's
Dude,
it.
you're not. Are you gonna watch Build? How are you gonna watch Build?
In the hotel.
just, just go to Orlando to watch Build.
Yeah.
That'd be funny. Let's see. Got a new job moving from L2 support role to L1 L2 support role. Wait, what? Moving from L2 support role to an L1 L2 support role. Difference is I get to work with Azure and get better pay. Ah, nice. Okay, I got a little
Nice.
confused there. Hoping to follow Gwen Rich story. Help us to cloud.
Oh, it's a support role in cloud, I'm guessing. Yeah.
Let's get it. That's the way you do it. Do a year in support, and that like will catapult your career. And people don't believe us, but let's go, Ash. Yeah, look at that. People cheering each other on, and everyone's getting new jobs. Alf just got one. Except me. I spoke to someone who's been at Microsoft for 23 years, and I'm like,
Oh my god.
that's the kind of life I want. I don't know. See, I know, and everyone on Twitter is announcing new roles and whatever. But for me, it's like I'm so done with interviewing and like onboarding.
Trust me. Trust me.
It's so tiring. I know. I'm like done.
Yeah.
with.
How about you, Alf? You recently went through that, but you shared your experience.
Yeah.
It was pretty positive, right? Because
Yeah, it
there
was,
was no a lot of yeah.
yeah, it was really good, and but definitely, yeah, all the onboarding stuff, like, it's nice and everything. Actually, this was the smoothest onboarding experience I had so far, and I still haven't started, but most of the stuff is like there and done. And but yeah, definitely, I'm tired of doing all the, because every job you start has the initial trainings, and they're all the same, like those things like the workplace harassment, and all of those, like, terrible videos on, like, well, it's not terrible about the topic, it's just that the platforms where they are being taught, they are usually uniformly horrible. So it's just like a slog to go through them.
Yeah. No, I feel you. I'm still. I just hit probation. Like, I'm done with probation at Google, and I'm still like doing training and stuff. It's okay, I guess, but it's one of the things that I would not want to do like every year.
Not. I know why people do it, but again, I think my focus is I want to get like great at my role in the current company and known
Yeah.
and very stable. That way, it gives me the freedom to build stuff outside of work. That's my goal, because I feel like outside of work, I have so much more
pretty solid
potential.
goal. Yeah.
But like, it's hard to like sort of build outside when you're so focused on being better and like
Yeah.
what the next thing is at your current place. So that's my goal, honestly.
It's exhausting. It's so
Yeah.
exhausting.
Oh, Alf was talking about this, which I think was be interesting, which I think we have similar, all of us have similar experiences, like how we've interviewed a good amount, but it's never been like, you hear those crazy stories. It's like, I send out 1,000 resumes and got 10 calls and got just one offer kind of thing.
So the reason I think we don't share those experiences is, I know for Alf and you had like a clear goal what you want to do with the role, or otherwise you were just happy what you're doing, right? You had like a set kind of things you were looking for at the new role. You were not technically looking for a job, right? I see that as like a big difference when it comes to applying to jobs and going through so many interviews. Is the need of a new job, or why you're in the market, right?
Yeah, I feel like the depends. Like, I don't know if you are talking about like this comment that I've seen here. Like, someone asked like, how long do you just staying at a job? But I feel like that kind of plays into this discussion there, like you were saying, Rishabh. And I feel like overall there are multiple ways of finding a job, and I was looking for a job because not because of like I don't like my company, or I don't like I want to move out. Is like I want to focus my career in a certain direction, and that's where I'm trying to focus. And that was and it's a nicer experience overall, because it's not like you are strapped for like, oh, I need to get paid because I can't provide for myself. At that point, that becomes a much more stressful experience overall. But when you're actually looking for the career specific movements, because you want to move from a position to another in a new field and so on, gets a little, you get even much more you can decide much more, I believe, like when you have you don't have you have a fallback, so you can actually take much more careful decisions overall.
No, definitely. I feel that like it's true in a lot of cases. Maybe you're in a toxic workspace and you're trying to get out. Like, it can be stressful because of that too. You're trying to move places, but I think that was not the case, I guess, in all of our three scenarios. We're just looking for the right role and the right opportunity.
I think another thing is also that, especially like for that first role, I wasn't picky at all.
Yeah.
It was like, I'm just going to get whatever I can get. Honestly. And as long as it's tech adjacent, because I know that I can turn that into something later on.
Yeah.
And I wasn't like, oh, if it's not like cloud, I don't want it. Right. if I was like very much open to help desk stuff like that. So I probably could have like kept interviewing and like, trying to land whatever the perfect role was in my opinion back then. But I was just like, I'm just going to go with this, do this a year and then take it from there. Yeah, but I guess I'm always interested when I hear those like, oh, I applied to 1,000 different places and I'm just like, I like never experienced that. I can't imagine what that's like.
Yeah, I haven't experienced that either. Like, I feel like my experience is a little weird overall in the sense that I had like something like 6 interviews in total in my like throughout my career in terms of like also internships and stuff maybe, and I got, including the internships, I got like 5 jobs out of 6 interviews or 7 interviews that I completed. So it's
a good record.
I don't know.
You should sell a freaking ebook. You should
No,
sell a $10 ebook.
I think it's luck, and I'm also considering only the interviews that I finished, like the ones that I went through the last step, and the last step was either yes or no. So I went through the last step with one company, and they said no, we're going with someone else. Other ones I said I decided to stop in the middle because I wasn't feeling it, and another time is like I never really gotten like an interview after. Like they did maybe the first step like online thing, but they never reached back after. But the ones that I talked to someone, I had like 6 interviews and then got 5 out of them.
So full interview processes.
6 like that. I arrived to a point where this is the last step of the interview.
Okay.
And then at that I got 5 offers out of the 6 ones that I had.
That's a good track record.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
How many interview processes, even if you withdrew or you weren't considered, whatever total do you think you have?
Like maybe 15, maybe, I guess. 14, something like that. I don't know.
That's
like
not
not way too many,
not
honestly, because I
1,000.
didn't really. Yeah, no, not 1,000 at all.
The only time I applied to like 500 jobs was when I was looking for my the gas station gig that I got.
Really?
Yeah, because I was new here, right? So like I migrated from India, had no clue how you get a job or what even a resume is, or how does a North American resume looks like, right?
Yeah.
I printed almost 250 copies of my resume.
Oh, did you go like locally?
Yeah, I went to 60 or 70 stores manually, like restaurants, gas stations, pizza stores. And this was what I did in the entire 3 months that I was here when I was like jobless. Yeah, I was just go places, send resumes, or like give them resumes. And then I think I interviewed only at 3 places, out of which one, nobody ever called.
What, dude?
Yeah.
Okay. And this isn't this isn't too long ago. This is what, like 4 or 5?
16, 17, yeah.
Okay, so essentially, like, let's say 5 years ago.
5,
so this isn't like back in like early 2000 or anything.
No,
this is recent.
Yeah.
Jeez.
That was good experience. Like that's why I'm so like grateful for what I have. Is I was 3 months and jobless. Misha was like, she was I don't know. She nailed, like, she got a job at the Pizza. In like second week we were here from India, and I'm like, what?
Yeah.
So it was good, like the situation at home.
Because you're too chill. Because you're chill.
Yeah,
AF.
we were able to. We were able to pay rent and stuff, but yeah, like it was terrifying. I'm like, she's working, and I'm just like sitting, and so I'm like, I need to get back on, and
Look at you now.
yeah.
You can say that you crush it on a rag now.
Crush it on the rag. That's a good trivia question. If at any point it's like, which one of us handed out 500 in-person resumes?
Not fine. Yeah, I think I was done at like 60 or 70.
We should actually answer this one, because I know we like.
Oh yeah, we
briefly
brushed upon.
Yeah. How long do you guys suggest staying at a job before thinking of changing?
For me, it's as long as I'm happy.
Like, I'm literally gonna say the same, because like I was saying, everyone on Twitter is always announcing a new role, and like the stereotypical advice is like 2 years. But if you ask me, like, I plan on staying at Microsoft to retire. I'm trying to get that stock up, man.
Yeah.
So there is this article that I saw in a group, like in a chat that I was having with other people, and one suggestion is like on a quarterly basis, if you don't have anything that you would want to put on a resume, you should start thinking about changing. Like if you haven't done anything in the past 3 months that doesn't provide anything useful to you in terms of growth of projects or something that is interesting,
Oh.
then you can start thinking about changing from there. So
You mean, like,
basically,
the success or wins that you
yeah,
had
like
that
in terms of
were
like
in the
you can
resume bullet points. Yeah.
yeah, like if it's a position where you're not doing anything, you're not growing, and all you're doing is like menial tasks or
Yeah,
something
yeah,
that is
yeah.
like not providing anything to your personal growth, then you should start thinking
That's a
about it.
pretty
And
good tip.
you can do that on a quarterly basis or on a semester basis, but quarterly basis gives you more like KPIs that you can start tracking. And it was an interesting article because I think that there is not like a minimum amount of time, but like it depends on the company, because there are some companies where like for example Gwen is like, I want to stay at this company like my whole life, which is a very valid reason if you find a company that really matches the values and matches your interests and so on, and you can move through the company. You don't have to stay in the same position at the same company, but you can move throughout the company. But if the company that you are at doesn't provide you the things that you're looking for, then the logic you can think about is like doing that quarter thing. I wouldn't say there is a minimum amount because you have to put yourself first. You're not putting like there's like not a like a company specific thing that you have to reach or similar. But overall, I'd say like honestly, my previous 2 jobs were a year long, like actually 11 months, both of them. And that didn't really stop my career growth from happening. Actually, I was like hired away from other companies all the time, so I was hired in a higher position at every step.
Nice. Sorry, go ahead.
I was just gonna say, a lot of times companies will have, like every quarter, whatever like metric they use, and they'll give you opportunities to have like retrospectives, or like at Microsoft we call them connects, and essentially you sit down and you kind of just give the highlights. You kind of make your case as to why you deserve a bonus or why you deserve a raise or a promotion, whatever it is. So use that time as well to be like, if you're kind of feeling like, oh, I don't really like what I'm summarizing here, like maybe that's a good sign for you to leave. But that is like essentially up to you, right? Don't follow anyone else's, like follow what you truly believe and how you feel about your career. Don't follow just, oh, it's 2 years. This is the time where everyone says I should be going somewhere else, so I guess I should go. Like, nah.
Yeah. Definitely.
Let's see. What is it? There we go. Risha, and you went back to school to get into tech after handing out all those flyers? I mean, all those resumes?
Oh yeah, I was doing my computer networking diploma at that time. So yeah, I was looking for a part-time role to like just cover up my expenses if I could get some help with the tuition, right? But yeah, I was looking for a part-time role, which I ended up doing. Like I was at that gas station for almost 2.5 years.
I still remember the time you told me that you almost got robbed.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I was looking for pictures of me working there.
Getting robbed?
No. I think I could go do that, but I would have to go back and ask the store owner to like get the
The
CCTV
cameras?
footage. Yeah. But yeah, before that, I think like myself or like if someone else clicked any pictures of me, there is none. There's one where, and I love that picture because like my friends were there, Misha was there. It was my birthday. I was working a night shift, and they were there at like 1, which I don't know, still counts. It was not midnight, but people were working, so this made it at 1 a.m. and I was like really like emotional because it was my first birthday away from my family. But yeah, it was nice. That's the only picture I have. I'll post it sometime.
Yeah, and then you'll go viral on Twitter.
Yeah, I would love to compare it with like a picture at the Google office maybe.
Dude, imagine you had recorded you handing out resumes. That would have been
Oh
wild.
yeah, that would have been wild. Like recording my journey since then.
Let's see. I've had 4 interviews, two phones, team, and coffee interview. Is this for one like the same role? If so, I think that's good. That's like
That's what I
I think
did
that's
for,
like good news. No, what am I looking? A good sign maybe potentially that they're really
Yeah.
considering you if you're going through
I can
all
see
of
this
this.
now. Yeah.
My previous company, the one I just left, I had some like 4 or 5 interviews, and that was a lot of interviews. And usually it's a good thing if you have a bunch of interviews, but yeah, I wouldn't.
Was it in person?
No, it was all online.
Okay. So when you say 4 or 5 interviews, I'm confused because some people include like phone screens and phone interviews with recruiters in these interviews, and then some people don't. Some people only count like where you have 40 to 60 minutes technical interview with like an actual technical team.
Yeah.
How do you count how many interviews?
So yeah, that's true. So my actual interviewing days for the role at Microsoft were 4 in one day, and they were like 45 minutes each.
Yeah.
And then there was a break between the first 2 and then the latter 2. But going up to that, I had like I think 3 or 4 informationals just like casual, not casual, but like it's more about like team fit and culture fit. So I guess total that would be like 8. I guess 8 conversations about the role, but 4 of them were like strictly interviews and like yeah. That's right. But and then I had like emails too. Probably had phone calls. I don't know. But when people ask me like how many interviews were part of the actual interviewing process, I will say it's 4.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me see. Nige, I know said hi here. Ooh, where is it? Hey, GPS and company. Bit late to this one. Good to see you. What's everyone doing? All right, what else do we have here? Do you guys want to play FIFA? I know, Alf, you gotta switch machines though.
I can unplug this one and just switch to the other. It's not gonna be a major deal.
Yeah. You guys want to do it? I just have to pair my controller.
Same here. I have to get my controller. I think it's already paired. It's somewhere.
We haven't played, so we're gonna end up playing for like 6 hours, like we used to. I got that same controller. I literally just bought it.
I just use my PS4 controller.
All right, let me figure out how this can work. I'm gonna just unplug this.
Do you pair it on Bluetooth or do you wire it off?
I have it wired. Like mine is like it's like an off-brand. It's not off-brand. It's a PowerA. It's an Xbox One controller, and yeah, that's.
What do you have, Gwen? Do you have like the Elite?
I have this. I don't know what this is.
Oh, is that the cool one? It's the Elite for like the Xbox.
It could
Do you know
be a
Xbox?
cool one.
Oh no, I think it's just the new Xbox One, the Xbox One X one.
Shout out company discount.
Oh
Damn,
my God.
look at that. Wait, send one over here. Mine is like jank as fuck.
We get pretty good discount.
I was making a custom one. You know how you can design your own in the Xbox Studio, I think, whatever.
I didn't know that.
Oh yeah. So I was trying to make one with like a Goku theme, so like orange and blue and some black. And then in the end, like when I looked at how much it costed, because I wanted it matte and everything, and I wanted the metal D-pad, it was like around $300, and I'm like, I can get a console. For this.
Heck no. That's like what, 5 games right there?
Yeah, and I was doing one of my colleagues was doing this for me. I'm like, no. So I just don't know if it's true, if it's actually $300 or not. But I'll find it out. I'll get my controller.
I have a couple of thinking to do because my mouse is on my Mac, but if I switch the mouse on my main computer, on my Windows, it becomes like I also lose my camera. So I have a little bit of.
All right. Well, while everyone figures out their stuff, I'll keep answering questions.
I'm gonna. Oh no, I'm pretty good to go. I'm just gonna do everything via like CLI probably. Or something like that. I'm
For
gonna use-
Goldman Sachs, they interviewed me 6 times. Wow. After a final, they called me after 2 weeks and wanted to have additional 2 1-hour interviews. I withdraw because it was a joke. I had something like that with freaking Spotify 2 years ago. The interview whole process was like over 6 weeks, and at the 6th week they switched recruiters or something like that, and I was just like, I'm not putting up with this. This is freaking ridiculous. And then like boom, I was like, nah. And then there was this other company that I'm probably not going to name at the moment because it's kind of recent. No, it's not recent. It's like last year. But that was just like a terrible interviewing process as well. I've been looking and applying. It's just a numbers game. Yeah, it's applying a role is definitely it can be tricky. It can be tricky for sure. If you're not too picky though, especially trying to land that entry level job, it's doable. All right, I gotta make sure I actually have FIFA. Let me see. Let me pull up Steam.
Oh my god, this is the EA stuff is the worst.
Oh wait, you need like Origin, right? Wait, no, I
Yeah.
might actually have that because I didn't clear off my D. Oh crap! Let me think about this. Wait, how do we invite each other? We need to use Origin.
Yeah, we need to use Steam.
Come
Dude,
back.
I'm using everything with the. It's interesting. I'm using everything via a keyboard, and it's the first time. And he's like, "Oh, now I get accessibility stuff." Okay, this is not doable. I'm gonna dig around for a mouse, or I'm gonna just.
I'm surprised you have one. Like,
Yeah, me
only
too.
more mice because you're like the keyboard. You have like 6 keyboards and 1 mouse.
You only have one mouse.
Yeah, I remember going to Alf's place and you had just gotten, I think, your most recent keyboard,
Yeah, I have
like
three. I have
what-
3 or 4 keyboards, but yeah, I do not have only one mouse. I have multiple mice, but the only problem is that I don't know.
you don't know where they are.
Yeah.
I gotta install Origin thin setup. Jeez. I hear some buzzing. Is that me?
Yeah, you're echoing now. Could you speak again?
No, I'm what?
You're good.
Was that me or was that Alf's? Like, because I heard like
I
some
think it was
echo.
Alf. Yeah, he I think unplugged something.
You see, look at him. He's... Oh god. Do you have like lighting going on? Like, cause it's like red behind you.
What do we have going on?
Wait, hold on. Now I hear. It's like cutting in and out. Is it me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you fine, but it's like, am I fine?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay, cool.
I hear some music now.
Oh, that's the TV, I think.
Oh, okay.
My sister and my brother are here
Nice.
watching. Oh, look, Alf left.
Yeah, I think he'll come join from the PC.
Can you share
what
your
you were
screen?
saying about? Yeah, I can share my screen. I'm just asking, what were you saying about the lighting? Like my face is red.
Yeah. Do you have like a red light or something?
I have a
'Cause in the
purple
back,
light.
It's like,
Yeah. I haven't configured
No.
the.
we should make Alf share because he's a freaking 3080 Ti Super Plus, whatever freaking video card that is. We should make him share.
I'm fine. Like either way, let me know.
What is? Oh, hold on. Oh, wait.
Yeah, you're cutting off. I think it's Alf.
Okay, yeah, it is me.
Oh, okay.
It was me. But if I have to share, the problem I can't share because my StreamYard is going through my Mac, but I'm playing on my PC, so I can't share.
Oh, I should do the same. All right, hold on.
Just send.
Wait.
Yeah. And now I am the one who is sharing his screen, also running StreamYard on the same machine, and also has the cheapest graphics card
Wait, no,
out
I'll,
of the three.
I'll try doing it. But I just don't know if it'll be able to do it. Let me see.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine until like my PC doesn't explode. I'm fine.
I'm worried that my audio is cutting out like yesterday, but we'll see. Create desktop. No, hold on. I got to install Origin. Create desktop. Sorry.
Trying to get this light to work.
Okay, it's downloading now. Let's keep grabbing questions while we figure our lives out. What Linux projects can I do that's job applicable? And what kind of job are you trying to get? Is it cloud stuff? Check out a few videos where people review junior developer resumes. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. There's this person called Tiffany. I think her name is Chat. Yeah. She does a lot of Twitch because she's like a manager now. So she does a lot of resume stuff.
Are you playing Volta?
Yeah. Now I think I'm getting audio issues now, but it's because I'm installing something.
You sound fine.
It's like I think you glitched out a little bit, but it could be on my end. So we'll see. All right, but thank you for letting me know. I'm freaking installing DirectX.
Dude, I honestly, if there is something I hate with all my heart and soul,
It's Java.
Other than Java, the second thing is EA.
Yeah, it is trash.
Oh my god,
It
I
is so
cannot
trash.
believe how bad EA is in everything they do. They have 2 apps, but they can't work at the same time. So if you want to use certain games, it's gonna be EA.
Yeah.
Is
app.
the glitch
Okay.
is the glitch for coming from me or coming from someone else?
See, Gwen is online now.
I will be.
How do
Alright,
I
hold on, let
invite
me-
Gwen?
Hold on, I gotta hit play first, and then let me share my screen. We'll see. We'll see if this works. We need to figure out a custom OBS setup, guys.
Mm-hmm. Oh, was it me glitching?
Yeah, maybe.
Thanks for letting us know. All good now.
How do I share? All right, let me do the share. Okay, I can share, but then I can't control the StreamYard, so someone else is gonna have to do that. Share.
Alfie, good?
Yeah. I'm gonna be good soon. As soon as I manage to do a couple of things, because my life is terrible with these screens and stuff.
All right, let's
Not
see.
gonna lie.
I haven't played since August 2021. How's that? Is that good? Is my audio still good?
Yeah, you're good.
All right.
How do I play? I'll leave the invite thing to you guys because I don't know how to.
Well, I think it's Volta.
Play with
Yeah.
friends.
Oh wait, I supposed to hit play with friends there? Alf, you gotta promise to not get too hyped up. You gotta be chill AF.
We don't want the flying controllers.
Wait, how do we do it here, team?
I'm trying my
think Alf knows
darndest. Yeah, I'm trying my darndest.
My squad team. No, there's like a play maybe like this.
Oh my sweet baby Jesus! I
Volta
am.
squad.
Squad up.
Almost there. Yeah, Discord. Yeah. I can. I'm almost there. I'm.
Oh, you're gonna do it? All right, let me get out.
I am on the
Yeah,
way.
Yeah,
I love
'cause
how
Alpha-
your all players
Origin.
have white sneakers.
I gotta keep it clean.
Yeah, they're like
The
super
fit's
fresh.
clean.
Okay.
You already know.
Hopefully, there is people that play Volta still.
On 21, yeah.
Hopefully.
I would be I would be surprised either way. If there aren't.
I'm sure there are.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Okay, I'm waiting for my FIFA to launch, but we're almost there. I'm
I need
sorry,
to-
it takes like the thing is that one thing I realized is that my computer is significantly slower.
Than your Mac.
Oh yeah, then my Mac, yeah, but like overall, it's like since like I stopped kind of using it consistently, it became so much slower.
Oh, you need to just reinstall everything. Are you on 10 or are you on 11?
I'm on
Windows?
10.
Oh, stay on 10. I miss it. I miss the stability. That's just really.
Yeah. True.
Chill, lower the volume a little. A little too low. A little more. Thank you.
In the meantime, Linux projects can do this job applicable for cloud administrator. That's
Go deploy 2 Linux machines, one in a public subnet, one in a private, and get them to talk to each other, but all via CLI. None of this clicking around stuff. That'd be good. And then have them install. Once you can do that, install some stuff via like what do you call the scripts that when you do it on the startup? Like
Configurations.
Are they configuration
Or
scripts? Startup
User
scripts?
data scripts.
User data scripts, yeah.
Yeah.
And then install like a LAMP stack or something via your user data script. And yeah. And then Linux, not to say Linux on its own, it's not something that you should do. It's more so like when you pair it with stuff, it's much more like, I guess, essential to your learning and to getting hands-on. So pair it with like, build out like an infrastructure or something like that. You can also do stuff like set up Nextcloud, set up a NAS at home, set up what else is like go play with like a Raspberry Pi and like create some kind of go look like a Magic Miro project. That's a lot of Linux stuff. Some good DevOps projects. I mean, DevOps is it's a lot simpler because it's essentially just an add-on to projects that you already have. How do I accept this? I guess just Y. I don't know how to do it on the controller. So like the resume challenge has DevOps in it.
Yeah. I'm planning to include the crypto.net ticker thing too. Like if you don't do the coding part of it, it's a really good DevOps project because we containerized the app
you're right.
itself,
Should
and
just
then
write
we
some
made it.
infrastructure
Yeah,
as code.
and then we did the continuous delivery part of it, which is good.
Guys, I don't remember how to
Richard,
play.
rate it up.
Sorry, my bad.
We'll see. I haven't played the FIFA in quite some time, but
Let's see if we find someone. Is the video and audio good, chat? Just let me know.
seems solid so far.
Dude, I'm so glad that I figured it out, the streaming, but hopefully it doesn't like die mid.
Nice.
But yeah, you're right. We should grab the crypto thing because it's built out already, and it's also like the cool thing is like it's serverless. So,
Yeah.
putting that in a CI/CD pipeline would be a lot of fun. Oh, we're not gonna find anyone.
Please.
I'm honestly not gonna like buy 22. What about you guys?
I have it
I'm
for
not gonna.
PS5.
Nice.
I'm tired of getting it every year.
Oh no, I got it only because it was $20. when I
Someone
got
did
it.
say earlier today it was like on sale.
Yeah, I got it, but no, I got it like a long time ago, and it was $20 even that time. So I think it was like Black Friday or something.
Oh, come on. Go again.
Yeah, we'll try again. I was thinking we should do we can do just like regular FIFA between the three of us.
Seasons. I think that's what it's called. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can do.
Well, it's just so much more
seasons
fun though.
I know, but we can do seasons, or we can do something even just like playing like on each other.
Oh, like
2-on-1.
2v1.
2-on-1. Oh, we got
Company fun. Right, nice.
Let's go.
Nice.
Wow, I haven't played this game in a long time. Last time I opened it was September 18.
And it's August.
Oh, April. Nice. I haven't done it in a while.
I gotta work on my like. I gotta check my video card settings because it's not as like
Yeah,
as, like,
definitely.
fluid
check
as it
those.
was. Wait,
Yeah.
where am I? Guys,
I think we're in
how do you
defense.
switch players?
You don't.
Okay, see.
Because you're
Oh, yeah, right,
you're
right,
on.
my bad.
Oops. Okay, stay on. Nice. Let's go. Yashin, pass it.
I'm
Nice.
up.
Again.
I'm up.
Ooh.
Oh,
My bad.
no.
This makes me even more excited to. Shit, this weekend
to
I
play
can't
footy?
play actually.
What?
Because I am gonna be. There's not gonna be anyone that can.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's go. Dap it up.
Sorry,
There's no
I got
one.
excited.
No one that can actually cover me for the refereeing. So.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, well.
Good.
Yashin. Oh,
Oh,
gosh.
go goalie.
Yashin, the man.
There you go. Come on. Oop. Oh, oh, yeah, that is our team. Fuck.
Nice.
Let's go.
Got confused.
Yeah, that
Oh,
guy.
my bad.
Ooh. Oh, it's okay.
Oh, my bad.
All good. George Best.
Damn, Rishabh. Nah, just kidding.
I was so close.
Wait, you're the second person out of this is not going to make it on Sunday. I know Alyssa said that too.
Yeah, it's because they keep on like changing their stupid schedule. I mean, it's not like their fault really, but oh well, it's a little annoying. Nice. Let's go.
I didn't even get an alert that it changed.
Yeah, me neither. Actually.
Oh,
Ooh,
fuck.
wow, that was quick.
Because last week I checked and it was still set to 6 at Marks.
Yeah, they changed it again because there was another team that did the other weird stuff. So
Perfect. Let's freaking go.
still got it. Ooh,
Oh shit.
covered that dude.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Let's go.
Nice.
Oh,
Oh man, no one in defense. Oh, nice.
There we go.
Good recover. Ooh,
oh, my bad.
it's okay.
Foul.
Ooh.
All right.
Foul him. Foul. Ah! Dang it. It's okay.
Do we have a game next Sunday? Because it's Mother's Day.
I'm pretty sure yes. I don't think that they do those no games on the weird days. They didn't do it on Easter. I don't think they're gonna do it.
Because I feel like a lot of people are going to miss out. Like, I personally probably can't make it. Oh, shit.
Crap.
Yeah, I think there's gonna be games every time that they are possible to be. Oh, what the?
Oh!
Oh my god.
Shit. Damn it.
Nice. Pass it. Oh, should I? Oh, dang it.
I should have held what is that? Right trigger? No, the other one.
Oh,
yeah.
Good
Yashin.
save.
There. Oh, beautiful pass. Oh,
Nice.
finesse.
Oh.
What? Oh, that was the end of the. Oh,
Ah.
they quit though.
Yeah. It was
Nice.
not the end. Like you shot it before, I think. At least based on my clock.
I can't. I
What
don't need to steal anyone. You can steal a player to add to your team. But I have everyone. All of my folks are more than 91 already. So
Yeah.
What happened? You got invited again?
yeah, I think that because they
The forfeit
forfeit
because of less players. Yeah.
they left. There you go. Fun.
Damn, there's like 4 people watching. They're like invested in watching us play. I thought it was gonna be easier to answer questions, but it's not.
It's
It's hard to keep up with.
oh,
with
we're
chat.
missing Rishabh.
Oh shit!
It says
Rishabh,
fail
where'd
to
you go?
join game session.
Okay,
Session is
let
already
me-
full.
Cancel search. I'm just gonna invite you. There you go.
Ready up. Anyway, people in the chat, we're playing, but you can feel free to ask us questions.
Yeah, we still
Um,
see everything, so just
Yeah.
you can feel free to.
Let us know, whatever. We're just hanging out on. Wait, I
Alright.
got another invite,
I know I sent it again, but now everyone is there.
so I don't accept it, right?
Yeah, no, just so you can do just ready.
I've never played this game. Yeah, it's just FIFA soccer. Fun. We used to play so much back in the summer. Remember?
Oh yeah,
Mm.
yeah, ready up.
And I was like the least skilled.
You gotta echo
player.
Rishabh now. Do you hear that, Elf, or is it just me?
No, I don't hear him. Don't hear any echo.
Hmm. How about now?
No, that's odd. I hear like an echo coming from you.
Give me like a moment.
Chat, if you don't hear an echo from Rishabh, that's fine. My thing is probably work. My PC is like no, my CPU is only at 17%.
Nice.
We should maybe if we don't find an opponent here, we should probably try
The normal,
yeah.
the normal stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What shoes is your player wearing? I'm wearing like the Adidas, like the
Mine are Adidas too. I just don't know which ones.
I think mine are Predator. Might be Predator.
Neat. No opponent found.
Where'd he go? Should we try the last time I played FIFA was FIFA 12. Imagine that. Haha, need to get back to gaming for real. If anyone ever wants to play FIFA with us or like other games that we might play, we'll be happy. We should have a Learn to Cloud game tournament. That'd be cool.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yeah, we gotta wait for him anyway.
Searching.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I don't know why I hear you an echo. Maybe it's on my end.
So I'm wearing the Adidas Falcon Core Black. The player. And your player is wearing the Predator White and Gold.
Yeah, clean. It's classic minimal look, you know.
Yeah.
I got
and
the
then
hat
Alf is
on.
Alf is wearing work
Alpha's
boots.
He's wearing Tim's. He's wearing and a cardigan. He's got those Timberland Predators. Oh god. Oh, we're not gonna find anyone.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to find. Let's just do like I don't know a 2-on-1 or something like that.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, and so we can rely only on ourselves. Let me just invite you all. Kick off online.
What is that? Pro clubs or just online friendlies?
I think it's online
Cool.
friendlies.
Oh, okay.
Just wait for the invite.
Oh, I think. Oh, being dang. I don't know if you can actually do with 2 friends. We can do co-op seasons though. Let's just do co-op seasons. I
Okay.
think. Invite co-op. I don't know. I'm trying to see if we can invite 2 people because it's stupid. Or the other one is pro clubs that we can do that.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
did
pro
that.
clubs.
Let's see if we can do. No, you can't. You have to do it twice. Okay, I'm just gonna invite pro club. Pro club. All right. It should be club.
Are you sending
Oh,
another
what?
invite?
Wait, our club died. We don't have a club anymore.
Look at that, LL. Oh, where'd Rishabh go?
I don't know. We lost our club. I have to create a club again.
Yeah, it looks like you're in club menu. Let's see. I've never played this game. Yeah, it's just good old soccer, good old FIFA.
I'm just gonna do select the club's default key and crest. This gonna do Schalke. This is Schalke.
Okay.
Rishabh, did you earlier when we talked, you were trying to figure out your camera issue. Are you using the Sony now?
Yeah, I'm using the Sony. I just got like a camera clamp thing that goes on the monitor mount itself to have the camera here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I figured it out. So I think it's a cool location, but I'll switch my desk over. Like I want it to be on the other side
You want your desk to be on the other side?
of the room, yeah. But I love the clamp and like how I can angle it now.
Your the angle that you used to record your backpack video was great.
Yeah, that's the thing. That is like on a tripod and me recording it. I'll probably get a second camera now because I need one to be just my webcam
just there and just keep it there.
and then just one for YouTube. We'll see.
I'm inviting you guys.
Cool.
Or I don't know. I have to figure out how this is gonna work because I don't know anymore how Pro Club works. Honestly, I forget every single time. If you go to Pro Club, transfers,
Online Pro Club.
invite friends. Okay, there we go. Okay, I invited you guys. You should have received it. Yusuf, yeah, transfers.
Transfer. This one here. I'm going to Cloudy FC.
Cloudy FC.
There
What's
you
my
go.
What's my salary?
There's no salary. It's a pro bono thing.
It's community work.
Yeah. This is all community work here. All right, we good.
Okay, now what?
Squad,
Then you
I
just
think.
go and choose your play match.
Oh, and then you choose your position.
Yeah,
Goalie.
What is everyone playing?
I'm a striker.
How do
Or
I
I'll-
How do I choose?
You just go and select in the position that you want to be.
There, I'll do that.
So I go into squad.
You go in play match.
Yeah, play match.
Wait. I see. Play match.
You can just choose the position you want.
Cool.
I could go any technically, but let's do just this.
Oh, so you could pick any?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a position where you can be any player, but you have to control everyone.
But
might
only
as-
for you, right?
But only for one person. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the only striker, and that's it.
Neat.
Because then you're like responsible for all the other ones. And like, nah.
Yeah. How it's different from Volta? Do we have like more players online?
It's 11 on 11.
Yeah, it's
No,
full
but we are no. The other ones are
AI,
like yeah.
machine learning.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see. But why then it's searching for a match?
They are searching
Because it's online.
It's online. It's not AI.
Oh, I thought you meant like the other players on our team.
Oh no. Like the players that we will play against.
Oh yeah, that's online.
Yeah, that's online. I don't know if we are gonna find them anybody because I don't like
Yeah,
people I think are
that's what
playing.
that's
There's really no way to play 2 against 1.
Yeah, that's so stupid.
there is, I think.
Freaking
I'm gonna look for it.
Yeah,
me a-
I'm gonna do the same. I think we could play like just us, if we don't find it.
I'm at 81. What's everyone else's rating?
I'm 82.
Damn. What are you, Elf? You're probably like a 90.
No, I'm 81 here.
Richard, what'd you do? What'd you do
I
to get
played-
that?
I played my.
Oh, you
own
played the other
career.
day.
Yeah, that was Volta, but I played also like the career thing. where you're an individual player and then some training stuff.
It's hard. It's hard to. I was watching some of it, and I just realized I thought it would be easier to address people, but it's
Yeah, no,
It is
it's
hard.
actually I found it, and there is no one-on-one.
you can't even like scrimmage, nothing like that.
Nope, Volta and this one are the only two.
Let's play World War Z instead.
We should play eFootball. No, eFootball is even worse because it's even there you can't.
Isn't that all purely online?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
here online, but you can't do individual. Like you can't play with friends yet.
What?
It's ridiculous. It's so stupid.
But isn't it free? Is that the one?
Yeah,
that's-
yeah.
yeah.
It's free and everything, but you just can't play with friends only. Like you can't make a match with a friend.
Let's go.
Oh, we found it. Yeah,
found
let's
one.
go. Should just this one is fine.
What are we? We blue? Yeah.
Maxana,
Red,
yeah.
red. Yeah, because it's easier to.
Let's see.
How do I skip this?
No, it's once it's finished loading, it skips for you.
Cool.
All right, let's go.
Where am
boys.
I? Okay, I guess I'm the.
Let's go, friends. Good one. Good
God,
one. Good
come
one.
on. 2 times.
Oh god.
Oh, this guy looks. Why does he look like Mickey with the gloves?
Oh shit.
Oh boy!
What a
Come
long
on! Oh.
Oh
What?
shit.
Oh, how, dude? Our guy literally. Oh no! It's
It's
offside.
Was it offside? We're good. Yeah, we knew that was
Alright.
gonna happen.
Oh yeah. I knew it like it
Definitely knew
clearly.
that.
I'm on the wing.
Got
Go,
a
go, 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 go. I'm good. Cross it. Ah,
Oh. You were offside too.
ah crap.
जल्दी भेजिए.
Go get him.
क्यों है? ओह अच्छा चाबी नहीं आएगी. Okay.
Come on, Puyol, do something.
Good. Send it.
Oh,
Oh.
my God.
What the-
Terrible.
No,
I stay
fudge.
onside.
Ooh. Come on. Oh my.
Oh,
Good pass. Ah.
nice intention. Yo, come on.
Take the legs. Go for the legs.
We got that. Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah, our keeper is not that dumb.
I like Volta because it's easier to see the whole field.
Yeah, he can actually also touch the ball a couple
Yeah.
more times. Someone is playing. What's the name of that?
Closet.
Oh, okay. Jesus.
No card.
That's. I would have called a foul too, as a referee.
Ah,
Good one.
All right, let's go. There you go. Oh fuck, that's offside.
Dang it!
a bit late.
Dude, our dudes are so stupid.
If he scored that, it would have been so cool.
It would have been, but I would have preferred not.
Just a sec.
Yeah. Let's go.
No, you're good. You're good. Oh shit!
There's just Rishabh sitting there in the middle.
Just standing there. All right, let's go.
Offside trap. Offside trap.
Come on.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Ah, too short.
Okay.
Good one.
Fuck. Good.
Every time. I think I chose the wrong position.
Nice.
No, I'm good at the defense.
Dang it. I should have done different passage. Ship.
Ooh.
What the
Oh my goodness. All right. Let's go. There we go. Quick 1-2.
Ooh, nice. Go again. That's
Ah,
okay. Right. I'm offside. I'm offside.
She was
Again?
clear.
Oh, that's good.
Good. Beautiful.
Pass it down there, you idiot! What are you doing?
There you go.
Shit!
Oh, shit.
Oh!
Ah.
Yeah, fool!
Okay.
No, that was
What keeps playing? Oh, there. Oh,
Oh, dang it, drop it. Dude, go grab it and get him. Wow. What a shot.
nice.
Stupid. Okay. Again?
I'm on. Oh no, I'm off. Okay, good.
Risky.
You got it.
There we go. What
Oh.
happened?
Half time.
Half? Oh.
Oh, it's intense.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, you gotta super
My hands are
focus.
sweating. Yeah. Especially when I get the ball.
Yeah, you're like, what do I do?
I'm not gonna fuck this up. And then I fuck it up.
It happens.
Do all the FIFA players just move on to the next game as soon as it comes out?
Basically, yeah.
Yeah. It's a pretty common, I think, thing in the EA world.
Yeah, there's not a lot of people. Like, there's not like a major reasoning to stick
No.
around, honestly.
But then
like-
there's just the pressure of getting the new one.
Yeah, because like there's like not gonna be any further updates and anything like
shit.
that. So
Mm-hmm.
come on, dude.
Good.
Oh, my
no,
god,
bad,
are
bad.
you absolutely?
Oh.
What a joke of a key!
Offside.
Offside! What?
We keep getting the same.
I can't believe that we keep getting lucky like
I
that.
like we're
honestly.
like, you freaking suck. Oh no.
Go.
Best.
Go. Oh no, I'm out. I'm off. I'm okay.
No,
Again?
you're good.
No.
Cross it. There.
Oh!
Ooh!
Nice shot.
Good one.
Too soft. Oh, that was close.
I'm too far. And my
Oh
stamina
my
is like
god.
shit.
Let's get them in.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
Good,
okay.
good, D.
Clear it.
Come on, keeper.
What?
Oh my god, keeper, you are an absolute shame.
Corner.
What an absolute joke.
Oh, good, keeper. Good.
Jokes sometime. Oh,
Nice.
nice.
There you go.
nice. Oh,
I thought I was gonna go to Rich.
Oh,
There we
good
go.
one, good
He's
one.
good. He's good.
it's okay.
Ah,
I almost was there.
I just
Oh,
saw you
I'm
running.
completely out of
I am too.
stamina.
Position.
Thought so too.
Come on, D. Good.
Ooh. Dude, this guy. Oh my god, what the? That guy was trying to juggle.
Ha.
Watch the cross.
Oh no.
Nice.
Ah,
Oh,
shit.
where- Okay.
Nice.
Good one. Go.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Too
I
soft.
was too behind.
Oh, nice.
It's all good.
Down on the.
There you go.
Oh my god, what a
Wow.
little joke of a number 10.
Oh,
no, that guy.
Oh
is-
no.
Oh, that
Come on,
guy-
keeper. Get it.
Oh my god. Good
Nice.
thing that they're also a joke. Holy crap. Good. Oh my god. And they...
Good.
Oh! Yeah, I don't think we have oh yeah, good thing. Yeah, I don't think we have the stats to do running.
Yeah.
Running away from folks.
Pure
I clearly
passing.
saw like the player going away from me, but then he catched up.
Oh yeah, no, we have zero stats
There
for
you
that.
go. Keep going.
Ah, shit.
Good stuff.
Okay.
They don't have the stats either, though. Puyol, do something.
No. Oh, good. Beautiful. Oh, no.
Oh,
Oof. Oh!
good. That was good.
Because someone can go against them, huh?
What the?
Good thing that
Nice.
they're so
Good.
bad at doing that.
Come on. Oh, good pass.
Oh! Okay, now
Good
the
save,
keeper
good
was that
Good
was a good
keeper.
keeper stuff.
Good
Okay,
keep.
I'm gonna lie. Not gonna
Not
crap on
gonna
the
trash
keeper.
the.
Yeah.
Good. All right, there you go.
There's no way that we
Quick one,
didn't get a
too.
single. Oh, down.
Nice.
Oh,
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 the
what?
last-
That's a foul. Oh, what the freak? He put me down like a sack of potatoes. What the heck?
Beautiful. Good.
Come on.
Good one.
Nice.
Oh.
Go and run.
Ah,
No one
Oh,
has,
nice.
has like stamina anymore.
yeah, there's no way I could run.
Oh.
All right, play it.
Oh.
That's our.
Okay,
That's, yes.
okay,
Good.
I
Someone said, "Hey, y'all follow football? My favorite cloud peeps just keep getting better." Yeah, I've lately I've been a fan of Arsenal. Rishabh, you been watching? I don't know, Alf. Do you watch
You're a fan of?
Arsenal?
Oh, okay. Cool.
I don't know if
United.
anyone else has
You
a
gotta
team.
stick with.
Oh,
No!
what? They didn't even let me.
Come on! That was gonna be the goal.
Yeah,
I don't
I was
know.
waiting.
It
I
was
was like
trying
top
to-
corner, left side, top corner, left side. If
Oh,
it hits the
well.
pole, I'll get the rebound.
All right, I think I might be time for. I have 11 skill points actually. What? Wait, I can
And there's
go
like
a little bit.
89 playing pro clubs. Oh,
Yeah, I know.
it?
That's
okay.
that's.
I thought
that's
there was like 89 players online right now, and we got
Yeah,
this
there
one
are actually.
forfeited when Alpha was going to take a free kick.
Jeez.
This is what I hate about like online gaming.
How do you see your skill points?
You can go in your guy club. I think it should be.
Cool. Well, I'm probably gonna head out.
Yeah, I think I might head out too because I have to finish a couple of things. I am an 83 now, but oh well. Nice.
Definitely
It was great.
I wish
Good
there
game.
was a way we just play like 2 versus 1.
Yes, we just next steps is to get a modern game.
Oh yeah,
That
play.
actually people actually play online
Yeah.
All right.
and then slap some asses online.
Good news is that I don't have any static in my audio anymore. Fuck yeah.
Any what?
Static. Like she had a static when
Oh, static
her
problem.
PC. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That's good.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all at some other point when we stream again, whenever that is. Good game though. Good game.
Yeah,
good
good.
chat.
I
You're muted now. Huh? I'm just gonna end it anyway.